Here again, Sabit Christopher to take you through how to create a checklist and formatting it in Google Sheets. Now, do you imagine that you have a checklist or a list of your stuff? It can be a shopping list like how I'm doing. It can be a to-do list, and every time you just check, it changes the status to done, or it changes the color to green, or whichever color you'll have set. Please stay around up to the end of this video to learn more about how it can be done. Now, starting with our fresh table, what we do is select all the cells that we are going to insert the checklist. Go to insert, then look for checklist, and it will insert all the checklists. So here at the moment we select this to true or false, nothing changes to the status. Now we go back now to the status cells or the column, equals to if, open parenthesis, that is now the first cell where we have our checklist, that is D4. If that one is equal to true, then what should we do? The first option will be open quotes, that will be done. That's when if it is true. Then the inverse, if it is false, then we shall have pending, and close parenthesis, enter. So since this one is not checked, that's why we are having pending. Copy the formula down up to the last checklist. So the moment I select the first one, it will change to done. The moment I select, it changes to done. Now what is next? We are going to condition format the status such that the moment it is done, it should change the color automatically to green. Then when it is pending, or when it stays pending, it should be red, such that we can easily focus on what is still pending and what is done. So how do you do this? Select the statuses, right click, mouse click, go to view more cells actions, then look for conditional formatting. It will open a dialog box at the extreme right, and with default will be giving you a green. So that is the range we have considered. If you didn't consider the range, you can select the range from here. Then what are we looking for? The format rule, I will want text that contains. So if the text contains done, then I will leave it green, then I will do OK. The same thing when my range is still selected, I can add a new rule. Then there is another option of adding a new rule by opening the rule that is already existing. Then I just say add a new rule. It will just duplicate everything. Then I'll just edit this to pending. And the pending should be red. So I'm changing this to red and OK, and we are done. So every time I change watermelon, it changes to done. Every time I do a check apples, it changes to done. Thanks all. Remember to hit that like button, hit the red button, subscribe to our channel such that you can get a notification whenever we upload a new video. Bye bye. Meet you in another video.